Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Right now I'm going to do a quick unboxing of this power bank that I bought. This is VRURC. I got this on Amazon. I think I paid like $13 for it. This is the one that you can actually plug into the phone directly, so you don't need to use it like a case, because cases are annoying. So that's why people don't really like to use battery cases, because they're pretty heavy, and they're a bitch to take off too and put on. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up and see what's inside. Go ahead and open this puppy up here. All right. All right, so here we go. All right, let's read off the spec sheet here. All right, it's USB-C. And let's see here. It's got 5,000 milliamp battery, 18.5 watts, which is pretty good. And let's go ahead and get the sucker opened up. There, okay, go ahead here. So here it is. Here is the battery, power bank. Now this is pretty similar to the iWalk, but it is a lot cheaper than the iWalk. All right, so you get a Type-C cable in here. You get a booklet if you want to go ahead and read through that. All right, never mind. And here is the power bank. So this is actually really light. 5,000 milliamp battery here. And it's really, really light. So let's go ahead and remove this top here. All right, so you just pull that off. I'm going to go ahead and grab a phone, show you how this thing's going to work. So here I have the Z Flip, right? And my Z Flip battery right now is at 57%. Go ahead and plug this thing in here. And hopefully this thing has some power in it though. So let me go ahead and check to see if there's anywhere I need to press to power this thing up. Right here on the side. All right, so it's got, I'm going to say 2 bars. All right, so let's go ahead and put that in here. And as you can see, there it goes, it's charging. Let's go ahead to Accu battery here. And let's see the health and charging. And it is showing that it is charging right now. So, all right, that's good. And it's charging, it says, at 149.7% per hour, 138, 128. So it's 10 minutes, 11 minutes to 80%. So you got to wait for it to calibrate. But it does do the job, though. So the whole purpose of this is to not have to carry a big power bank around, where you can just, put this on the phone right there, just like that. Just plug it in. And let's go ahead and see if it's going to come off. And it looks like it's pretty sturdy in here, so that's good. Let's go ahead and put it on another phone here. All right, so now let's go ahead and unplug this thing here. All right, so just pull it out. So it's already charged 1%. And you see that was pretty fast. So I plugged it in at 57%. And now it's at 58%. So that's good. Go ahead and put this one to the side. Let's go try the Pixel here. All right, and plug in this one. Now the Pixel right now is at 67%. Let's go ahead and plug this in. Okay. Just like that. And as you can see right here in the corner, that it's charging. So see here, charging speeds here right now. It's all right, current charge 9.9 watts, 12.9 watts, 13.2 watts. All right, so it's charging around 13 watts. So that's pretty decent. It's not the fastest, it's not the slowest, but it's pretty good. I mean, it's better than a wireless charger. Wireless chargers to me have been always just pointless. I never understood why people made a big deal out of wireless charging on cell phones, because it's really irritating to use a wireless charger, because you actually have to plug it into a wall outlet. So why just not plug the phone into the wall outlet anyway, right? So anyway, guys, this is the charger so far. I'm going to fill it up all the way up, and then I'm going to try and do a full charge using this device and see how long it would take. But anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this video, don't forget, subscribe down below, hit the like button. Until next time, stay blessed and take care.